8 children at a time is the will of God. So that is exceptional.
Before having a baby, are you mentally ready? Are you physically ready? Are you financially ready? As in financially, your pockets.
You need to protect your kids. Make them know there is danger outside. You don't trust everybody you see. You don't follow everybody you see. It is that thing that your friend tells you, don't tell dad, you don't tell mommy. That is what you should tell me.
Let's use a case of someone who is here to understand what parenting itself is. A female, a lady who is just 18, 19, 20, or maybe by 18 or 19, 20, boyfriend relationship. Apparently, she's not even yet becoming, she's yet to understand what womanhood is. She's still in the position of she's still a teenager. Not that her adulthood have not come to maturity yet. So if she gives birth and she don't have appropriate care around her, it's going to affect her parenting.
Because you thought about the way your mom was, and she brought you up in the way that you have to defend yourself. But the way Jesus told me was, when they slap your left,
three is not a crowd. Marriage is man, the wife, and God. When that three is together and there's an agreement between the man and the wife that this is the number of children we want, that is the number of children they will have. So yes, I agree with her. Family planning.
Thank you, sir.
So
sorry, can you get my point? Tori, because you're not going to power long pay God, I want 8 children at once. So I want to agree now that we just want 2 children.
You should say it's a very good point. Me, as an example, I'm a product of it. And I turned out well. Because, hallelujah, I can say that I'm a good example of my parents.
Does having child out of wedlock affect good parenting? And secondly, does polygamy have anything to do with good parenting?
Parents also should understand that they need to seek medical help for their kids. Sometimes they have autism and they have so many mental problems. So just keep on beating, talking, but they don't understand.
She don't flog everybody.
She don't give up one mama.
The master of the
Wow.